So this video review is all about a place called Yumi at GK2 which serves the best Asian food in Delhi. I started over with this yuzu bowl which is a complete meal in itself and it contained everything from rice to chicken to veggies. I simply loved it. Being a spice lover, I really wanted to try something spicy, and if you are like me, then you must try Asian chicken skewer and pepper chicken with asparagus because both of the preparations are to die for if you are a spice lover. Now, if you are a sort of person who simply loves their meat along with the bread, then you must try their chili hoisin pork bao, which is super juicy and soft. I really love the taste. And since Asian food is nothing without dim sums, I decided to try some, and this place has a huge variety of dim sums including chicken mandu dim sums and fig and date dim sums for desserts, which was super cool. Now coming to drinks, you can try their signature cocktails and decadent freak shakes because they are absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend you guys to try this place.